health insurance companies are now paying for at-home COVID-19 tests per federal law. Local health leaders say the new federal law is causing significant supply chain shortages to test kits for families who need them immediately. 2 News reporter Caroline Morse is live in the studio now with what the new law means for the Miami Valley.
Riley, right now, cost doesn't seem to be an issue regarding these at-home COVID-19 tests. Instead, it's accessibility. The new law allows one person to request up to 8 at-home tests per month, which health leaders I spoke with say is causing a lot of concern for communities.
The supply chain has been disrupted by the federal government stepping in. They've actually been taking the tests away from people like the Ohio Department of Health.
No more at-home COVID-19 tests will be coming from the Ohio Department of Health. Clark County Combined Health District says the new federal law will be pooling tests together and then delivering them upon request. The kits will now ship with 7 to 12 days from ordering, which Patterson says will be too late.
Well, in the short term, it is taking the supply away that was being used to supply our local population here in Clark County, at least. So initially, it's going to hurt us. In the long run, if they do this quickly enough, it could potentially help. My worry is that by the time the help comes, we won't need it anymore.
Patterson hopes the new law will benefit citizens in the long run, but says at-home tests will be hard to come by in the meantime.
It wasn't about whether you had health coverage or not. It was about going to the library or getting to the local health department to get a free test. So changing that situation is obviously making things more difficult, at least in the short run.
Additionally, Patterson says Springfield Regional Hospital is expecting 2 teams of the National Guard members this week. One team will assist in the ER and the other will help support the short staff in day-to-day operations. Live in studio, Caroline Morse, 2 News working for you.